These Dreamcore videos are pulling in millions of views and have become some of the most satisfying and relaxing videos to watch on social media. Look at this account. They post these types of Dreamcore videos, and on Instagram, one of their videos reached over 60 million views. And on TikTok, they also managed to blow up to a crazy amount of 260 million views in total across their videos. So if you want to know how to create these videos, in the next few steps, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it yourself using a simple workflow we created. First, go to our website. The link is in the description. Once you're there, go to the GPT library section and search for a GPT called Dreamcore Studio Pro. Select it, click Start Chat, and at the top, you'll see a button that says Start. Click it, and the GPT will give you 10 different dream nostalgia ideas you can use for your video. For this example, let's choose number 7, the subway tunnel lined with mushrooms. Enter it into the prompt box and send it. The GPT will then generate 5 image prompts and 5 video prompts. Now copy the first image prompt and head over to Higgsfield. Go to the Image tab and select Nano Banana Pro. Paste the text-to-image prompt and hit Generate. Once the image is ready, you'll get nostalgic Dreamcore environments like the ones you see here. They really have that nostalgic comfort mixed with a quiet, unsettling feeling. I also found that Higgsfield Soul can create these images really well. So with the same settings, hit Generate again, and you'll get results like this. Next, I want to show you what you can create when you type your own vision into the GPT. This time, I'll start a new chat and enter a farmhouse in the middle of nowhere. Then wait for the prompts to finish and copy the first image prompt. After that, go back to Higgsfield. This time, I'll use Nano Banana 2. Paste the prompt, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, choose 2K resolution, and generate the images. This gives us the Dreamcore images you see here. Now I want to know, would you live here for a year for $1 million? Next, let's move on to the video stage. Go to Video and select Kling 3. Upload the images you just generated. Then go back to the GPT, copy the video prompt, return to Higgsfield, and paste it into the video prompt box. Now choose your duration. I'll go with 8 seconds. Set the resolution to 1080p and generate the video. This turns your images into Dreamcore videos like this. Now, by repeating the same process, you can create all the clips you need for your final video. Then, by stitching them together in any editing software, you can create a video like this. That's it. All the links you need are in the description below. Lastly, make sure to join our newly opened school community to stay up to date with the hottest new AI trends. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.